Okay, hello everybody. It's Master 930. Open it with the key here for you.
Oh, they were apprehended.
Yeah, there's it back up there. The twist flex tension wrench and kind of offset ball.
It's a show they'll never forget. But the spotter misses his mark. I can't watch that. Lying on his romantic rendezvous, salacious scandal, cheater. Amy Fisher, Joey Buttafuoco, 2 scandalous sex tapes, and both live in our studio. This program is brought to you in part by London Drugs. Better advice, better price, London Drugs.
The lock is so heavy. My hands
Hey,
have
honey,
a hard time with it.
Popcorn from Dairy Queen. Want to try?
Sure. Hey, wait a second. This isn't popcorn, you idiot. It's popcorn shrimp.
There we go.
I knew there was something familiar about it.
Hold on. Where are the kids?
Single pin picked, raked into a false set. Master 930. One of Wizwazzle's locks. He just did a video on it. And it says here, maximum security. I don't know if you can see that or not. But yeah, right. And don't use lock picking to break the law. And have a good day.